open. Hotel open.
Room reveal. Staying at the Excalibur off the, well, actually we're on the strip. Diagonal from the MGM, straight across the street from the New York, and also directly across the street from the Tropicana. There's another set of elevators. How did we miss those? Are you going the right way? Okay. Hi. So we're just walking in the hallway. Nice decor. Oh man. This is a really long, see that's another problem that they have in Vegas is the hotels are so big by the time you get to your floor, you're like walking 2 blocks to get to your hotel room. So it's like you gotta walk 2 blocks to get to your doggone hotel room. 2 more blocks once you leave your hotel room just to go to the casino. 28,163. That's us. Okay, so here we are checking into the room. It looks short, like not tall, not for tall people. That's what I'm getting from the room. So as soon as you walk in the door, there is the, what do you call it? The restroom. As soon as you walk in. Nothing fancy really, just your standard restroom here. Toilet. Small kind of shower. The shower head's kind of low too to the ground. So now we're out of the bathroom. Back, here's the door. So this is the front door that we came in. And then now just kind of going into the room area. Next to the restroom, there is this double door closet. If I open up the closet, there is there a light switch in here? It's dark. Okay, I don't know where the lights, if there's a light or what, but there's an ironing board, and then obviously space to hang up your clothes. Next is the, this is a really cool mirror. I actually like this. Get in this mirror. I have my coat on, as you can, it's kind of chilly out here in Vegas right now, so got my coat on. Nice little dresser area that the TV is sitting on. TV, what is that, like a 50-inch TV? It's not very big at all. Oh, my husband said a 42, so how about that? I gave him a little bit of inches. And then just the desk with the chair over here, the AC unit, and then 1 chair. Most hotel rooms are big enough to have 2 chairs. So just FYI, that's kind of giving you, if you kind of go back and look at some of my other videos of rooms, if you remember I said at the Mandalay Bay, the room was a lot larger than your standard Vegas rooms. And if you look at this room, I think that definitely proves my point. That was a larger room. So I'm basically all the way at the window. And then once you come out the window, he said he was giving us a view, the gentleman at check-in. So let me try to put this here. You can see the MGM. Like I said, the MGM is direct. It's really diagonal, not directly across the street. But you can see the MGM, and then just the strip, some cars driving, and then the Tropicana, which is directly across the street from the hotel. And then again, some more. You really have to kind of look down there though to see the strip area down there. Do you see it? Yeah, it's a view, but it's kind of difficult. All right. Well, that's the room. We're in the Excalibur. What is this called? The Royal Room? This is called the Excalibur Royal Room. So if you are interested in staying at the Excalibur, this is what the word royal royal room looks like. I don't know why I can't get that word royal out, but this is what the royal room looks like.